Hi viewers, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. And today what we shall be doing, I'll be teaching you how to delete your YouTube channel on mobile. So the first thing you should do, you should go on Chrome, then you type youtube.com, then it will load and come like this. Then you tap this icon right over here. And then after tapping that icon, you go to settings. You tap settings here. Then when you tap settings, it will appear like this. Then you go to advanced settings right here. Then when you tap advanced settings, it will appear like this. You'll see this page here. Then you tap delete channel. Then it will bring that you should enter your password to confirm for your YouTube channel to be deleted. Then you enter your password. After entering your password, then you press next. Then there you have it, your account has officially been deleted. Bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please will you share my video to your friends. I love you all. Bye.